Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. We just learned صراط الذين in our previous lesson. Now we're going to learn two more new words. أنعمت عليهم. And it's not difficult. So listen to me one time and repeat after me for the second time. أنعمت عليهم. أنعمت عليهم. عليهم. أنعمت عليهم. أنعمت عليهم. Let's put them together. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Again. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. For the last time. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Fantastic! I'm so proud of you. Let's continue in the next class. Children, do you remember when the letters were having lunch in the zoo? They were tired after playing in the sun, and they were eating cakes, cookies, and chips. Oh wow! Chips. Lovely! One of the letters tried very hard to open and it opened. Wow, that was so good. And they started eating. The teacher immediately said, letters, make sure you say Bismillah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And cookies as well. Wow. Lovely. They're having so much fun. Chocolate chip cookie. Wow. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Laka alhamdu wa laka shukr. Beautiful. Another letter, Ya, with a different hat came up from behind the bush. And Ya started serving them with special sweet and cold juice. Each letter wanted to drink this juice. Everybody wanted to drink that sweet, tasty juice. They shouted longer with excitement. It reached all the letters. Hence, out of excitement, every letter started to sing this song.
Me, be, beefy, out from the lips. Tongue has many, twelve from the tip. Fee, thee, lee, dee, dee, dee. Zee, see, see, lee, nee, ree. From the middle are D, she, ye. From the as a sir, D, ki, he. Six from the throat, E, he, I, he, he.
We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Children, we are going to help you write in Arabic because it's a lot of fun and it's different. So why don't you take up the challenge, because a small mistake can make a huge difference in meanings. So come with me and let me show you how to write in Arabic. The first word in our lesson today is li. So let me grab my board and my marker, and I'm going to show you how to write li. So first we're going to write the li with the kasra, and because it's not li but it is e, li, so we have to add ya to it. So let me add the ya to it and the sukoon. Again, li and the ya and the sukoon. Let me show you again. Make sure that you understand that this is the li and this is the sukoon and the kasra. Li. It's your turn. Why don't you take a pen and a paper and practice with me. Let's go. Are you ready? Yes, you are. So write the li and the ya and the kasra e and the sukoon. Excellent. Now let me show you the second example, which is lafi. So I take my board and show you the example for lafi. So I write la and the fa with the ya, and I have my fatha and the nuqta for fa. This is the kasra for fi and the sukoon for ya. Let me start. This is the la, the fatha. This is the fa and the ya and the sukoon. Good job. Watch me again. Lafi. It's your turn. Why don't you take a pen and paper and practice with me. We start with la, the fa, go down and make ya, and then the sukoon. Wonderful job. There's one last word, which is fi, but I want you to try that on your own, inshallah. تخفيضات 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 كل شيء 10 كل شيء 10 10 10 10. Wow! Don't you think that it would be interesting if we can understand what is being said? I'm sure. This was a small announcement at a marketplace. So, do not worry. Come with me and learn Arabic with actions. Guess what? In this lesson, we're going to combine what we have learned so far and practice them together. So, let's go for it. Lahu means for him. Lahum means for them. Laka means for you. Lakum means for you all. Li means for me. Lana means for us. One more time. Lahu means for him. Lahum means for them. Laka means for you. Lakum means for you all. Li means for me. Lana means for us. It's your turn. Repeat now everything in Arabic. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Laka lakum. Li lana. Li lana. Again. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Laka lakum. Laka lakum. Li lana. Li lana. Again. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Laka lakum. Li lana. MashaAllah. Wonderful. One last time. Lahu lahum. Laka lakum. Li lana. Li lana. MashaAllah. That was beautiful. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us we'll see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.